Today, we're in Midland for a trail to table adventure. And that's where we pair an outdoor adventure with a nearby place to eat. Our pairing today is a hike at the Midland City Forest paired with Brinstar Arcade Bar and Grill. And I think this pairing works really well. I'm going to show how I enhance my hikes by gamifying my time outdoors with a few of the different apps that I really like. Then we're going to go play some real arcades at Brinstar.
Let's go 1 to 35.
Yeah, there's a lot of trails here overall.
This is cool right here. So the canopy is just starting to bloom, but down here on ground level, everything is really starting to turn green.
Let me explain what Andy's doing right now. On his iPhone, he can take a photo of a plant or an animal, and then this little magic icon right here appears, and that'll tell him the name of the kind of plant. And since this is his first time using it, I'm not entirely sure if he trusts it.
Oh, mine doesn't have that. Oh, there it is. Eastern rosebud or Eastern redbud. I know what that is, so I'm going to confirm that it's right. A sow thistle?
Yeah, tap on it.
Oh, dandelion. Okay. I believe it works. I just didn't know if it would take something like off the ground like this and be able to tell.
Yeah,
That's cool.
see if it can pick that up.
This one will be impressive. Pincushion moss. Great name. Looks just like a pincushion. Pine.
Yeah.
That would have been my guess.
I know we're having fun with the identifying part of this right now, but I truly believe that if you took a family out and gave the kids the phone to take the photos and try to identify as many things as you can out here, that would be a way to gamify being out on the trail. A lot of people, when they go out in the woods, they think, oh, I'm going to get away from technology. But I think in certain ways that technology can be enhanced by using your phone. The Merlin app can identify bird sounds. The iPhone camera now can identify animals and plants. And then I use All Trails, which allows me to go out on a park like this and just wander in every direction that I want to, knowing that I can see how far I've gone, what my average mile time is, and the stats of elevation gained by the time I'm done hiking.
Is this let's go over here. I think this looks like one of the most thought out and developed bike courses that I've ever seen.
Yep.
I would feel comfortable going on some of these. These are very cool, but I'm sure there's skill levels with like the different drop-in points. And oh yeah, there it is. It's like a ski hill. I see a blue square and a black diamond.
We rode the single track here, but we did not ride this area.
Right. No, we need to come back with our bikes at another time and do this. This is awesome.
Until we go and actually bring them here, I'm going to do my best right now to say some of the facts and figures about this and really try to show it off, because I think it is truly a unique spot and really cool.
Yes.
Midland City Forest has always been known for its multi-use trail system, but this is what I would consider a mountain bike park. And over the last few years, it has seen some major expansion. The updated area includes some professionally built flow trails, a new skills park, drops, jumps, and beginner-friendly stuff that I would be able to tackle woven throughout the forest. Just walking through this area feels really well planned out. It's got clear signage and features designed for a wide range of riders.
I can do some of that more basic stuff. I'm not going to go high level at this point, or maybe ever.
Yeah.
But I can still have fun on some of those features.
Oh, and this is important too. Even though we've showed this and this, also equestrian horses.
So when I was researching on where to go for this trail to table, this Brinstar stood out as a spot we needed to go.
So we're going to head downtown Midland, and that's what we're about to do now.
I'm looking at the seasonal and specials menu and the regular burger menu, and like there's so many options that sound good.
Burgers at an arcade bar. Whenever it's possible, this is one of my favorite type of establishments to visit. It's burgers and games. I feel like I barely started playing pinball and our food already arrived. I think it's time for a proper burger unboxing. We are unboxing every burger in Michigan, and this is the brunch burger from Brinstar in Midland. Let's pop the hood. A 1/4 pound smash burger, egg, I chose over easy, bacon, cheddar, lettuce, onion, tomato on a brioche bun. Typically, I would try to savor a burger like this, but I want to finish it and then get back to the games.